Hello and welcome back. Today I have a new gadget to unbox, the Insta360 GO 3S. Inside the package we find some stickers from Insta360 and the new GO 3S. And please note, this video is not sponsored. I bought this camera with my own money. So maybe this is the first Insta360 GO 3S unboxing video that you see that is not sponsored. But if you see this Insta360, please sponsor me, I would love that. So inside you have a new USB-C cable, that is pretty standard these days. Then you have some paperwork, I don't even read it. As well as some more paperwork and some more stickers, yay! The quick start guide, maybe let's have a look into it. No, that's all clear. This is a necklace that you can wear and attach the camera magnetically. And then you have some more mounting options that come with the package. And the most important part, the Insta360 GO 3S. If you press the button you can remove the camera, of course remove all the stickers, and it adheres magnetically and it sticks really well, as you can see. Also, this mount is tiltable and you can attach it to anything you like. This one has a standard tripod screw, and here you have a special mount that adheres magnetically as well as mechanically to the camera, and you can remove it by pressing both buttons at the same time. You can charge the Insta360 by plugging in the main device with the display. The Insta360 GO 3S itself doesn't have a charging port. And here it has the same mounting option that adheres both mechanically and magnetically to the camera. So let me show you how you set this camera up. You have the power on button that you need to press first. As you can see, the light is blinking and the camera is turning on. You have to confirm your language and then you can connect with the Insta360 app. Of course, it has to download a new firmware first, which we will do here. Once the upload is completed and the firmware is up to date, you can control the camera by your smartphone or by the camera display. You can set the resolution here. As you can see, the available frame rates change depending on the resolution you choose. Of course, I choose 4K with this new 4K capability of this camera. And then I always choose a flat profile. And here you have different views that basically just change the perception: mega view, action view, ultra wide, dewarp or narrow field of view. And then you have different levels of stabilization. I will have to test out if it affects the image quality if you choose maximum stabilization. And if you couple the device with your smartphone, you can also enable GPS, but as I can see, it doesn't have a GPS module itself, but it takes the GPS data of your smartphone. You could set your shutter speed manually if you want to follow the 180-degree shutter rule. but for that you would need the ND filters to work with brighter light, which I don't have yet. White balance I always set to around 5000 Kelvin, which is daylight, but you could set it to any value if you know what you're doing. This is the sharpening level. Maybe I will learn about some other settings that I could use for this camera, but I hope it was helpful that you saw how to set this camera up and what is coming in the box. So thanks so much for watching and see you next time.